Hey guys, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on transcription in protein synthesis, and this was taken from the February-March 2017 DBE exam. So let's jump in. It's a nice straightforward question worth 4 marks. Describe the process of transcription in protein synthesis. So 4 marks, 4 points, but I'm just going to list all the points for you. So transcription starts by the DNA or the double-stranded DNA molecule which unwinds. So it starts the double-stranded DNA unwinds, and it doesn't just unwind, it also, the weak hydrogen bonds break. The weak hydrogen bonds break, and when the weak hydrogen bonds break, it unzips. So it causes the DNA then unzips. So DNA unzips. Once the DNA unzips, one of those strands are used as a template. So one of the strands used as a template to form, so this will now form the an mRNA strand, and it uses the free RNA nucleotides from the nucleoplasm, uses free RNA nucleotides from the nucleoplasm, to do this. And then after that, the mRNA molecule, so the mRNA molecule is then a complement to the DNA. Complement to the DNA molecule. Remember, mRNA is formed from DNA. And then the coded message is then used for protein synthesis. The coded message is used for protein synthesis, and is therefore copied onto mRNA, and is copied onto mRNA. After that, so it's copied onto mRNA, and then the tRNA molecules will then bind to the codons of this mRNA, forming a amino acid. And then that's it. That's 4 marks. So any of these points, there's a whole bunch here, but they'll only select 4. So that'll be 4 marks. And there we go. It's not so difficult. You just got to know your theory. But before I go, don't forget you can send us another question and we will respond with a personalized video. But you can also check out more epic videos at our website. And just a quick shout out to our sponsor. You can find our details and their details down in the description below. Until next time, stay epic.